From now?
We're coming from Spalding's End.
Oh,
Yeah.
what, Spalding's Hill?
Yes, up by Knox.
Okay, for two Spalding's Hill,
Huh?
Me I say two Spalding's Hill.
At what end?
Yeah, man, that one when you go Kabla and go in.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man.
And the one where you go through the town.
Yeah. I want to go up and Knox, up there.
Oh, yes. So we went through the other one, the one when you come up Cobbler Hill.
Yeah, man.
Right.
Mine slide, brother.
Yeah, I realized the road really muddy.
Yeah.
You had rains yesterday?
Well, the day before yesterday.
Oh, and it still look like this?
The day before yesterday.
So if it did rain, we probably couldn't come down.
Yeah, man, you couldn't walk in the grass,
Okay.
You couldn't walk in the grass.
Yes. So this is your only farm or you have others?
I want me down there so right down. Me down there plow plan.
Yes.
It's so carrot now.
Oh, you plant some carrots?
Yeah, man. Me have 1 pound and 3/4.
Okay.
And I want my virgin walk over this too,
Yeah.
So when plant the cabbage,
Oh.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
But long as I know I never lose half a carrot.
You lose off it?
No, sir. Me never lose half a.
Oh, so it's good down here for you?
Yeah, man, me get the price, man.
Yes, that's wonderful to hear.
Oh, me get the price, man. Me get what, $200 a pound.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's red dirt down here, so?
This is a red loam.
Red loam.
Yeah, man.
So some type of soil up here, you have the black one.
Yeah, man, you have the black one too.
Oh.
That are the clear. Because you can see the dirt there, so see there.
Yes.
I just in the middle part there, so see kind of black.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
But this one
is
had the
really
loam.
red.
Yeah, man. This one had the loam.
Okay.
You can walk through yourself still,
All right. So you basically just plow up this side to plant your carrots?
Yeah, man. I plow down this same way too.
Oh.
So 1 pound and 3/4.
So you do it, Bumpa?
You know, me get two of my friends and we're there.
Uh-huh.
If you help me.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I have me grow over there, so now I have clean up.
Okay.
Walk over a mango tree there, so same way.
Oh, so you plant over that, the ground over that side?
Yeah, me go plant back over there, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
So in addition to the carrot, you do yam, you do cabbage as well?
No, me never do no cabbage. Me do it long time, but when you ready now, everybody ready at the same time, and $10 a pound.
Right.
And nobody no want it.
Okay, you have too much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that no work out for you.
So then come down, so.
Mm-hmm.
I hate, so you have to try what you have.
Yes. Oh,
so
wow.
you sow carrot when it's cheap. You sow when it's dear.
Mm-hmm. You sow carrot when it's dear?
Yeah, man, if you catch a price. Because everybody will catch it back now. You understand me?
Yes.
All right. You see that, go? It's if I ride to the stone there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Right to the stone, come to here, so. And me never plow over that cup party. Just in the sink.
Yes.
And yeah, so. Me pay $13,000 for a pound.
Mm-hmm.
Nancy's.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you don't have a problem with the carrots? You
No,
like
sir.
planting it because you always manage to get a good price?
Yeah, man. I have to know the time if you sow it.
Yes.
Because I sow a Good Friday, I sow.
Good Friday.
Mm-hmm. All right, I know, $2.50 a pound me here.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm not even mind the price, no.
Right.
You understand me? You don't go and say you have it. Because more time you have it,
Mm-hmm.
you don't go and have it.
Yes,
Because
you'll get market.
If it sell for $10 a pound, you don't go and have it.
Mm-hmm.
That means your neighbor don't have a problem with you. Because your neighbor go say, boy, see boy Bumpa and come. Every minute he come borrow my money. So if you sell for $10 or $5,
I see your point.
you have it.
I see your point.
You understand?
Yes.
You have it.
So the important thing is to have it for you because you're saying that regardless of the price, whether it low or it high, you have something that you can live off of.
You have it. You understand me? And you hear some man say, boy, I'm not swear because I'm afraid I thief them, you know.
Yes.
You can't afraid of the thief them. Because you have to swear if you catch a thief. Because every thief, remember say every thief knows say, you know, they say, nah, come back, you know.
Yes.
Nah, come.
Yes.
Because remember say, like how you have for your car up here now. A man want it, you know. A man say, you want a car there, a nice car, you know.
Yes.
But remember say, if you don't have none, you don't want no car, you don't take for your car because you don't have no problem with him.
That is true.
I like me I tell. So that me I tell you, so you know.
I get your point. But we
Yes,
don't
man.
must catch the thief bumper. So the thief gone with we asset and we farm producer, we don't must catch him.
No, and then the thing again, this, you know, the thief, no, let me tell you now, you see thief, more time you have somebody said, somebody will work with you, you know,
Yeah.
where him
Organize and orchestrate it.
him organizing the thief, because remember, say, if you sow a carrot, or so, and him plan if you can help you tomorrow, now. My man plan to go there in the night, you know. You understand me? My man plan to go there in the night.
Yes.
And and a man, when you ain't good, you know, and like you as a one, I know, you say, oh, they enjoy me carrot. Him know say men did them, I say, right, he never catch all that man there, sir. But true, you not catch him.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can't say what you want to say.
Can't say what you have to say.
Wow. But you
So,
don't have any real challenge with that though.
no, sir. You see,
Which
well, I
is
miss a
good.
carrot, I remember, say, a long time I miss a carrot, you know. And see, most of them never hatch. And see, they
Yes.
hatch, I not sow it back yet, you know.
Oh, so it's just coming up.
Then me just come up.
Normally, how long it take for the carrot come in after you plant it?
Then take all 3 months.
Okay.
3 months. But if you're not hungry, you can say, boy, make it stay there, sir.
Yeah. And within that time, you spray it and all of that?
Yeah, man, you spray all 2 times. I
Okay.
don't like the Irish potato, you know, so every minute you have to go spray.
Yes.
And them sitting there. You understand me?
Yeah. So how costly is it though, Bumper, to do the carrot farm? How costly is it in terms of you purchasing seeds and in terms of you know, maintaining it with fertilizer and labor and so on?
Yeah, man, it costs, you know, but you see, true. All right. You were there, so then, you know, say, all right. You are footballer. Are you a
Yes.
cricketer? You don't mind what you are getting, but I hit your intent, you know.
Yes.
You understand me? I hit your intent, you know. So you say, all right, boy, I'm going to work with it. Because even the farmer, all when you say, boy, you know, say, I not dig for that price, you know. And when you no gone, you say, sure, I want to go in here, man. I have feel it bad for, you know.
Yes.
So I don't want to no problem to nobody if you borrow. And yeah, some of the people when you borrow from them, they rude to you.
Right.
Oh, so I want to my money.
Yes.
And then wait, you understand me? So I big disrespect that. So I prefer you have it and wait
Yes.
till the time come. Because even when my mother dead,
Yeah.
me have the carrot.
Yes, and you'd have lost your mom recently.
Yes, me have the carrot
Yeah.
and I say, all right. One man say, where you wait for price? I say, no, sir. I know what me wait for. And I never borrow $1 from a man.
Yes.
You understand?
Wonderful.
I never borrow for $1 from a man. I buy this pot for 55,000. And I count out the money. Man say, oh, I don't look for the whole of the money. I say, no, man, a business, man.
Yes.
And my mother did like the Sunday. And the Monday, me dey on foot. On foot, so till my mother buried the 50 in October. And still 2 weeks after, me still have sitting there, did I cook and I give you a man a jinxie and
Yes.
right through.
Right.
Yeah, man. And daddy didn't call me, man.
Yeah. So I see the point you're making now. So sometimes you can't watch the price. You just have to do what you have to do to survive.
You can't watch your price.
Right. So that if you have your emergency come up, you can deal with it. You can maintain yourself without.
See the other day there, when my son started school, he have he bring the paper come give me. And him say, teacher them say the deadline Tuesday, you know, sir. I say, what you say? Give him 24,000 the Monday, the 3 subject.
Yes.
No matter what go on, you know. You see if you go to a doctor, I say your son sick or anyone who want to take sick, and you there and you call your close virgin. I say, yo, ma, you just me was spying you.
Yes.
First thing I say, boy, you can buy some gas. I'll need thankful of gas.
Right. Right.
So you can buy some gas. I say, yeah, man. He say, all right. But if I say, boy, I know nothing. He start thinking and I say, boy,
Yeah.
me gas low, you know, so I don't think he can go up. I'll need thankful.
Yes.
You understand? That's how we black people see
Yeah,
it.
man.
Yeah, man, that's how we black people see it.
Yeah.
So. I just sit I key, man.
Yeah,
You
so
always have to look out.
make sure you have
No,
something.
man, you always have to look out, man.
Yes. So sometimes it probably is a case where you plant the carrot and you maybe, even though you say you'd have made a certain amount of money, you maybe lose in the process.
Yeah, man, but you know, you know, see, as you so, for everything I lose and gain, you know.
Yes.
Me so already down the hand where me get what, $30 a pound. And when me jar the carrot down there, Higgler them come and I say, no, sir, I don't want it them too big, because one weigh 2 pounds.
Oh, wow. The carrot?
Yes.
Oh,
And by me one big bed down there, so. Just over 800.
Yes.
And I go up the road and show the lady, then come pick out the finer one, them and say, why them too big, you know? And if you show you, so me so blessed. I see some taxi man, say, wholesome man.
Yes.
And the passenger them in and say, sir, me can get some. I say, I want to come take up, man. They say, how much? I say, no, man, a blessing, you know.
Yes.
If nobody no want it, Higgler no want it, and me one can store some.
So you share it.
Me share it.
Yes.
You understand me? I buy 2 weeks after. $150 a pound.
You see that?
And me just say, sure, I just say a gallon. I just
Yeah.
say a gallon, make a gallon. You
Such is life.
know? Yeah, man. So,
Because Bumpa, you are the type of person where you kind of help the community in such a major way. Because people tend to come to you and you give them farm produce.
yes, man, yes, man.
And even the little children, you'd have mentioned that there are times that they pass in and ask you for water. And you
Because,
say,
alright.
you know,
See-
tell us about that again.
See, the other day, one little girl that come from around the road, back so. Man, his mother can't go to school. And he say, Mommy, buy me one bag juice, you know. He said, they no pass the shop. He said, no, man, Bumpa live down there, so man, he sell bag juice. And when the mother stop, he said, you sell bag juice? He said, no, man, I don't sell bag juice. But she can't get. And when I go in the room, I give her half dozen in one bag.
Yes.
And he said, boy, God bless you. He not even say thanks, he said, God bless you.
Yes.
You understand?
Right.
And by the evening, when my brother come from town, and I say, you know, so me pass all the while I look for you. And he called me. And he follow up me and I say, hey man,
Yes.
go and go buy a drink.
Yes.
And I look on the $5,000.
So you're getting the blessings.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's
So,
wonderful.
Man, yeah, man.
So, because I was amazed when you shared the story of how, you know, sometimes when you see the juice truck, you just buy like a whole heap of juice and have
this
it.
morning when the juice truck pass now, a 5 bag of bag juice me buy. And I know say them are going to come here at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, and it's not really for you.
I know for me.
It's for the
You
kids who
understand me?
pass
My
at times.
My son come, me say, look here. You see your good brethren them.
Yes.
When you come and a drink one, give them one too, man.
Yes. So you're
understand
teaching
me?
them how to share.
You understand me?
Yes, and that's
if
important.
if me die so, I say 5 hours in the house, and one banana in there, and me didn't know what me I say. Then if you give one of them banana, me prefer not give none of them now. You understand me?
Yes.
Prefer not give none of them now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because when me there all yard, I cook all on Sunday. And so then come in, me say, want me no good. And my son I eat. So me say, oh, no son no good. He say, then I eat. So me say, me ask them if no good enough. Me sure how to give them.
Yes.
Yes, man. So I just saw the routine balance.
Yes. Yeah. How long have you been doing farming, Bumpa?
Well, I never remember, you know. So for me, I go to school and for my father usually sitting there, me always, I'm 25 year I am.
Oh.
So you understand
Yes.
me? So a long
So
time.
you have always been doing farming?
Always.
So you never did any other trade?
No, sir.
It's just farming that you
farming.
know?
I just farming.
Is it safe to say you love farming then?
Me love farming, man. Me love
Yes.
farming. And that's why, you know, say more time, me people them say me come all at town, come spend all 1 2 months. Me say, look your auntie, no, we not before work, you know. And if me even go like Friday, by Saturday, me want to come back, yeah.
Yes.
No, sir, because me is not a town, you understand?
Yes, you
and
love
if
to.
And if me even go a foreign, I must farm work or something what me can do, me know, you understand?
Yes, because you love your farming.
I love my farming, sir.
Well, let me ask you a question though, because you know, so many persons they complain about the farming in terms of challenges with labor, challenges with fertilizer, among other things. But yet still, it's interesting to see because they continue to work the farm and so on.
You understand?
So is that the same thing for you? You love it, you have challenges, but you keep going nonetheless?
You're going to see where, man, but you know, I just see fertilizer are the problem. You understand me? I just see fertilizer are the problem. But more time,
in terms of what? The cost?
the cost. For if you plant like Irish as I know,
Yes.
plant like Irish now, you have to sow the carrot now. You know what I need? Worry about the fertilizer now. You know? Because the liza in the ground same way.
Oh.
The liza in the ground same way. So he work with the carrot. You understand? And like, you know, so the fertilizer go cost now. You get the full manure.
Yeah.
And dash you up on the land, you know, like how you plow it, you dash you up on it now and little more you get your own now and knock up it.
Oh, so
And
you
then
use it,
wait.
you resort to that as,
Yeah.
you know, an
But
option.
and the foul manure, wise for using at the ground like the yam because you have the worm
Oh, and the worm eat the
and the
yam.
worm eat the yam. And
Oh.
worm not eat the yam from front, because you will go there now and catch it and say, no, worm not eat it, man. When you dig out and look on at the back, what they do with it?
Oh,
For the
wow.
cool place, worm love, just like slug.
Yes, yes, yes.
Day before yesterday, Monday, I see one man, I say, boy, the man, them no want to raise the yam, me say. So I say, who? He said, the buyer, them. I say, uno, man. So he said, what make me see a uno? I say, uno, a problem.
Yes. How
For,
so?
because you want to know, farmer no dig yam when they there,
Yes. When the
Then,
price high up, they don't dig the
I
yam.
say, sure, I don't dig no man, it go 500. You understand me? Then they give me the drop.
Yes.
Because I remember saying, yam, they are 500 and when it start drop. You understand me? It start drop. I remember say, order. Yam order always around for Friday. If you want one order Friday, you have to call for it. And that the
Yes.
man call you for Monday. And I said, do ma, sir. Remember me Friday, sir. And first thing, when they did 300, remember me tell one man already, give man the order when they did 300. And the man say, you know, dep on his head.
Wow.
So I say, all right. I don't have force, sir, so he thinks it. But more you catch some high price. He go at 250. I don't bother check him. For me say, for him tell me, say no dep on his head. And when he go 200, kaka, can't sleep in peace. Remember say, order run from Friday. And the man call me from Sunday and say, remember me, sir.
Yes.
Remember me as the order come, sir. So I say, some people not check me. He say, no, man. You have to put after the people there, man. Check me, and me I say, what's it? You see how much he lose?
Yes.
$100.
Just because of the fact that they're waiting for it to go
So I
up.
hit. So I know the buyer don't have no problem.
So you're saying that because most times what we hear is that the farmer will complain that the yam price not really go nowhere.
The buyer don't have no problem.
But I'm hearing it from you from a different perspective to say what they are supposed to do is to dig the yam when the price is at a certain level.
When it is,
Stop
all
waiting
right.
for it
You
to
see
go
like,
higher.
you see like the yam there, 300. And you have one 2,000 hill.
Yes.
Dig one 500 hill. For that. If you even go at 350,
Yes.
you dig again.
Oh, so you dig everything one time, you dig
Yeah,
it
you
little
just a
by
consider
little.
dig. You just a consider dig. That means
Oh.
if you even drop and you have some now, you say, right, it. A good thing say me when start, man, I want 200 hill me a left.
It sounds good. It
You
sounds
understand me? But
reasonable.
somebody now just had the whole pile up there, say, boy, I want price, my wait pan.
Yeah.
And when he drop now, he want the whole of that the other there. So it
You're a
can't work.
smart man. I
It
like
can't
that
work.
idea.
It
So at
can't
least
work.
you get some of the high price.
It can't work. You
Right.
understand me?
So you don't lose
And
completely.
then you will hear them say, boy, the buyer the problem. The buyer no problem. Because remember, say if the rain a fall and set the bucket, you can't catch no water,
That's true.
That's how you go.
Yes.
All right.
That's
So,
true.
so some people just want the big price.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes. Oh wow. So Bumpa, thank you so much for talking to us, and we know we probably will come back and look at the farm when you have the
Yes,
carrot
man.
planted
Yeah,
and
man.
everything.
Yeah, man. Me
You
I go
know?
make you look.
Yes.
Anytime I say to me, I go.
Give us a call.
Because I have your picture. Remember, say me have you on WhatsApp,
Yeah, man.
Me have you on the WhatsApp.
So just reach out to us. So,
Video hit.
and send it to us. Yes, man. Wonderful. So thank you so much again for accommodating us, and sharing some valid points. So I hope somebody listening will be inspired somewhat and maybe get a little advice so they can do business in the future. So yes, so thank you again, and thank you guys for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. See you next time. Blessed love and be safe.
So the next time I'm going to go down a Barigi.
Oh, we went to Barigi already.
You go to Barigi?
Yes.
I invite to my friend over there.
Okay. So we'll come back and see your friends next time. Yeah, man.
Yes,
no problem.
So you just call me.
Will do.
I see.
Will do.
Invite.